Hey folks, Michael Daniels here with Tinkering with Tech. Today we're going to talk about using OBS to put StreamYard comments in a Zoom meeting. Check this out. StreamYard is used for live streaming. Zoom is used for meetings and webinars. To see a video on that, please look up in this top corner here for a card. So by doing this video, we're going to show that you can put StreamYard comments into a Zoom meeting. So when you open up the broadcast studio for StreamYard, you create an event. In this case, I called it test. Then you're going to go into the Enter Broadcast Studio next page, and then you get into StreamYard where you want to start your process. Next, I'm going to click on the YouTube icon, and you can see here I made it unlisted YouTube because I'm not going public. And then right here I want to click View on YouTube. On this page, we're going to look and see it's waiting on Michael Daniels. And we're never going to go live, so it doesn't matter. I'm also going to copy the link from up here to grab it. And then over here is the chat. So here's where people can enter chat. You can see where I've already entered a chat. After I enter the chat in YouTube, I go to StreamYard and I can click on it right there and it brings it up, as you can see right here. Now we start the process in OBS. I'm going to show you how to do this as simple as you can with one scene and only two sources. After you click on the plus sign to get your sources, we're going to choose display capture and also video capture device. Once the display is captured, we're going to shrink it down to the size of just the comment. And then you can see here we have the camera below, and then on top is the comment. So that way the video camera is behind whatever the comment is that comes up. Last thing in OBS here, we want to make sure that we have the virtual camera turned on. You can see it says stop to turn it off. In Zoom, if we click on the little up arrow next to stop video, you'll see a choice for your camera as OBS Virtual Camera, which is what we just selected in OBS. Here's what Zoom now looks like with your comment and your video and showing as a virtual camera. Because we want to get comments from YouTube and not Zoom, there's a couple things that we have to do. Let's start off by opening up under Security, turn off the chat or uncheck the chat. Then we need to venture on over to the chat and add the link to the YouTube, because that's where they're going to be commenting. Just because it's turned off doesn't mean they can't click a link inside. So to add StreamYard chat or comments from YouTube to Zoom, we have to use OBS. And here are the windows that you have to have open in order to do that. So that was a lot to learn, all in about 3 minutes. If you like this kind of stuff and you want to do these kind of things, I encourage you to join our community, Tinkering with Tech. We'll put a link or a card so you can know how to get there, or there'll be a link on screen that you can go to. We'd love to have you in the community. We do stuff just like this and we tinker with that. Thank you.